Good afternoon, Chasers. I know I was going to do like a video game thing today, but I have something else I want to show you today. I hope you're all doing well and everything else. I hope you guys don't get freaked out or anything, but this thing is kind of cool, kind of gross at the same time. But here, he's coming. What is this? I thought it was kind of cool, so... It spins. It's a freaking remote control cockroach. And it's gonna come after you. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty neat. Oh, he's stuck. Anyway, he's got like little lights and stuff like that too. I thought he'd be pretty neat to show. He also came with these little baby cockroaches too. He came with 10 of these. He takes no, not 6 batteries, but he takes 3 batteries in the road, 3 little watch batteries in the remote. I thought he was pretty neat. He's kind of gross. You can prank your friends with him. You can do all kinds of things. I don't know if I can prank any of my friends with him or not, but I probably could try. I'm not sure, but he looks real on the screen, definitely, doesn't he? Not really, but it's kind of cool, kind of gross. There he comes towards you guys again. There he comes towards me. But anyway. I thought it was pretty neat. And so I thought instead of a video game, since I got this today, I was supposed to get it tomorrow. But since I got it today, I said, you know what? Instead of a video game today, maybe I'll review this remote control cockroach and show it to you guys. I'm hoping maybe I can prank a friend with it or something like that. His legs move and everything. It's crazy. Kind of cool what he does. Would you guys want a remote control cockroach to prank your friends and family with? Let me know, because this thing is kind of... Oh, we can crawl with the mail too. Oh my god. That's too funny. Anyway. I'm gonna put right here. Anyway, I figured I would review him. I think he's pretty cool. This is the box he comes in. Right here. I already opened it up and everything. I was surprised that it came with these little baby cockroaches. I mean, honestly, I wasn't expecting these. 10 of them, to be exact. Let me put them all over here so you can see them too. But this guy, he's pretty cool. I kind of like it. It's kind of gross, but you know, I kind of like it too. Here's all the babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can freak your friends out with these things. 7. I would. 8. 9. 10. Oh my god, on the camera it looks like there are freaking cockroaches everywhere. Anyway, I thought this would be pretty cool to show. And I'm hoping you're all having a great Thursday and everything. But anyway, you could prank your friends with this. I don't know if you could, if they could, if they'll fall for it or not, but they might. If you guys want to buy this, you can get it on Amazon. And I'll let them scurry across the screen one more time, so you can see them again. A little scurry. There he goes. Bam. No. Get away from my scanner. Give me my babies, he says. I think he's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Something good to prank your friends with, or what? I think so. Honestly, he's pretty neat. For something like this, a fake cockroach or remote control cockroach, I'll definitely give this a 10. It definitely works. I mean, it comes with the batteries. It comes with a screwdriver so you can get the battery compartment and everything. And all that. So all these little baby cockroaches, again. It comes with the batteries. It comes with a tiny screwdriver. And it's just, he's actually kind of fun. I eventually plan on pranking somebody with it. I don't know who yet, but I do plan on pranking someone with it. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but whenever I do it, I will do it, and I'll have a video. And, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thought I'd show you this since I got this today. I wasn't supposed to get it until tomorrow, but I've decided to do this instead of the video game and show you this remote control cockroach that you can prank your friends and family with. So, yeah, I think he's pretty neat. I definitely give him a 10. And, you know, I'm going to face you guys at the very end here. So I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day and have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.